I'm Sébastien Arnould. I'm the CEO and founder of SupAirVision. We are experts in wind turbine blade diagnostics by drone. We innovate in a drone, in the sensor, and in the data to improve wind turbine blades inspections and wind turbine blade maintenance. So we have a big part in research and development to develop our sensors. After that, we self-inspect the wind turbines with our teams. We inspect 800 wind turbines per year, and we are very active in France because we are French. Our clients are asset managers and wind energy producers, and also wind turbine manufacturers and maintenance specialists. We take photos. We diagnose blades by thermography, and we check lightning paths in the blade. And we have our cloud, and we manage data with Visionaire to release the inspection report and detect defect and detect the defect by AI. Industria support us. The connection with John Cockrell is of course important, and the connection with the network of Industria and John Cockrell is very important and very effective for us. And we launch a new fundraising round in Series A, and of course the network of Industria is really important.